That was so close! Yay! I murdered him without taking damage. Wait, I hear my cat. Lucky, come here. Kitty's just meowing. Ah, she's coming. She's coming, chat. I'm scratching the cat head with one hand and I'm playing with the other, chat. Let me play my stuff. I have a chat, okay? She wants to climb on top of my lap, but I am not letting her because she will become a mess. It's gonna be getting a lot of hair on my cloth. Let the kitty on the lap, but if I do, it's gonna become hairy. She's getting closer to me. You need to do what the cute kitty wants. That's the most important thing. Come here then. There she is. Oh, careful with your head. Don't move the microphone. She's on the lap now, chat. I don't think you can hear her. Chat, I cannot move. She wants my hand to pet her. Kitty, you're so round. The kitty's belly is so round. Go on, talk to Chat. She's going into my armpit. No! Wait. No, don't scream.